the KY-032 Obstacle Avoidance Sensor detect objects before they even touch your Arduino project? Today in day 24 of our 37 Sensors Challenge to detect nearby objects and display the results in real time, we need an Arduino UNO, a KY-032 Obstacle Avoidance Sensor, jumper wires, and a USB power cable. Now let's look at the connections. Connect the VCC pin of the sensor to 5 volts, GND to ground, and the out pin to digital pin 2 of the Arduino UNO. The sensor is connected to digital pin 2 and configured as an input. Now comes the coding part. The reason we write Arduino code is because Arduino needs to continuously monitor the sensor and determine whether an object is present in front of it. Upload the code. Now let's test it. Place your hand or any object in front of the sensor, and the serial monitor immediately displays obstacle detected. This is the same principle used in obstacle avoiding robots, smart navigation systems. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to sarkitedtech day 25 of the